Go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Charlie, it be me now. And this be celebrity what? Yawa. Celebrity Yawa. You know Black Rasta, huh? Black Rasta. Black Rasta can talk say if Muhammad be corrupter, Akufo-Addo them Bawumia be what? Grandfathers of corruption. What he make this man can talk? If you don't know Black Rasta, Black Rasta be one of the controversial radio hosts where he does xylophone. When he can say history, he dey give history about the Rastafarians, the history about great people where them can do things there. Bro, forget. You go make you understand the legacy of every legend where he dey mention in him. No, you go give you the biography. You go give you the source. What the person do, the person won't do, what the person only left for what, like the generation where then they come the things. No, he dey force say that radio show there where they take motivate. They take what? They take make we know say Charlie. If you be black person now, if you be proud of yourself, if you not take Western culture, them the cultures where them they outside and things. If you not copy them, then do your own thing. You can't talk that thing. Why you make him talk that thing? He talk say Bawumia on. Anytime Bia Bawumia go there public side in it there. Everything Bia they talk about Mahama incompetence. Then things where Mahama no do them thing. Every day Bia, you not talk anything Bia where you now. He take him mind. They talk about things. Everything Bia we go do Bia go mention Mahama in him. Where Black Rasta can talk say Bawumia be what? Bawumia be what? Comedian, big time comedian. Because you not get any better thing Bia where you go talk. You not get things where you go make we the citizens know where we did. We go not say he come and he be this and that way you go do no without not mentioning what Muhammad's in name. When you thought this now, you know say social media there plenty people did. When Ghanaian they thought say even true, this one a politicians know where them did here. Every day be I tell like if this one will do better thing, this one will can't talk in matter. If this one will do better thing, this team will can't do in matter. Where another person to talk say, we will forget policy. The policy where we forget say, if you write a policy put down, where any government be where they will come no. The place where the government in the end where in term finish no in term like you either go back to what back to in place. No where another government will come now. Another government need to for come. Then can do what? The another government for come, they can continue where they were. The other party in the end. That be what the Ghanaians they talk. Where Black Rasta talk say, you know, you be so now you go talk. Right now, no, they make comedians and things. Where you talk say, if Muhammad be what? Corrupter. Akufo-Addo, them Bawumia, them be grandfathers of what? Corruption. Hey, where the man talk back to back. Then things where he they what? He they sabotage and so they put like the way they talk, you know, he they make Bawumia they feel say he need if for sure they do that thing because Muhammad he dey inside where Muhammad dey inside where you know all what he go do be say he will talk sweet things or you go talk things where he come and you will can't do give Ghanaians them things. Another Ghanaian be to rise up in voice for what? Social media. If I say rise up in voice, it's like he type them things. He type say these politicians where them come no bro for what rely on them. If you rely on them now, I tell like you now you don't know you not get better things for what your life inside. Bro, you still make I talk you something. If you wanna write say moku vote, they will write say moku vote because if you no vote you know president go dey wanna talk. If you dey wanna constitution inside, when constitutions to do what? It dey govern country. If you no get constitution now, and carry all where we dey Ghana, every bro go do in things, every bro go stand up there do anything. That's why we get what like institution where they we get what? We get the police, we get hospitals, we get everything. Where we get the what presidency where we they put them for there. Then everything go what? Go out. Where plenty people they talk say, hey, you know be this one way they hear, you know be this way they hear the politician. Like we tired of them. Then come on, man, they can't give us good drinking water. Man, they can't give us good roads. Man, they can't give us good electricity system. Then things. Plenty people they talk no matter. Plenty people they talk this matter way. They make them say Charlie. Them tired for the politicians in top. That what they come for what? Black Rasta what inside. Another show they be to come. Then they better boy what? Boy, you never know where he did Twitter no. Tell like the controversial small. If you what boy misplaces, that be his name. That be what he did. He say you know the time now he did no at the age of 30 years no now you want build house. The house no way you don't want build in there. If you house where you go take your own money. If you house now where you now go take in sweat then build a house. You say Charlie, you know be easy. But in now day where you plant things say I for what if I get money make a save them. If I get this one I for put them for here. You know they buy them wig them things. You know they buy them nails them that if you go buy crown now if you something where like you go maintain the money then plenty people for the social media top. The social media top way, e dey where you can post in pictures where you build need be where e be Twitter. The pictures of the building where you build, the building need be nice building. You say you no rely on anyone because you know he talk himself, he inspire himself. You know spy say man go can't help him, man go bring you money then things. It be hard work money. Where plenty people where them dey the social media top for Twitter no, the president say she make what she make come. She will like it be what it be something where like it be so this way that you know if you copy them then do those things you know what it go help them then things where you sound the talk where you make plenty people they talk say it be good thing where you do. You say wanna show this way them dey already what they know say they will go buy what phones then things they will go buy wig then things then they bed for what container inside the container you know say they better place so you dey gutter in body where they melt where they enter them and hide inside where plenty yawa then things they go on for what them a life inside that what miss that what it come from what boy miss what business inside where it motivate the girl say you can do something for yourself. You know be man, you know be say for rely on man there you dey if man will help you you go be what you go be bonus. Focus on yourself the time and also pray hard say and anything be you go do piano you go put your mind for top then you go be what reality for people them are what them are what inside. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle aka what mankind make I talk you something if you now we are the top class. If you don't subscribe to the channel if you subscribe if you want too much GH please at the back where too much GH you subscriber anything be away they go on for social media you will get that oh fine and subscribe more now oh fine wow subscribe more yeah could you subscribe to what too much GH subscribe like and share that's what if you do anything be away go do be make sure say love go lead because love be the what the answer. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what work. Pow pow pow.
Too much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody GDB. Madam I say love you.
Too much GH. We boy wate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo. Obetumi afem the great ampo. Mbrenbren. Wonu me nkan mo ni ehwe Too Much GH. Too much GH. Mu ye too much. Na me so me ye am on fire.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Human One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.